Welcome to our guide on how to obtain a concealed carry license in Ohio. Whether you're new to firearms or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. You must be at least 21 years old, have been a resident of Ohio for at least 45 days, and a resident of your county for at least 30 days. Most importantly, you should not be prohibited by federal law from possessing a firearm. Next, complete the required training. Ohio law mandates at least 8 hours of training, including 6 hours of classroom instruction and 2 hours of live fire practice on a range. This training covers firearm safety, self-defense, and Ohio firearm laws. After completing your training, you'll receive a certificate of completion from your instructor. Make sure it includes your name, the instructor's name and qualifications, the date and location of the training, and the number of hours completed. Now gather the necessary documents. You'll need your certificate of completion, a valid photo ID, and proof of residency, such as utility bills or a lease agreement. Fill out the Ohio Concealed Handgun License application. You can find this form on your county sheriff's office website or the Ohio Attorney General's website. Contact your county sheriff's office to schedule an appointment for submitting your application. Some counties may allow walk-ins, but it's best to confirm. During your appointment, submit your completed application form, your certificate of completion, identification, and proof of residency. You'll also be fingerprinted for a background check and will need to pay the application fee, which is typically around $67. The sheriff's office will conduct a background check to ensure you are eligible to carry a concealed handgun. This process may take up to 45 days. If your application is approved, you'll be notified to pick up your concealed carry license from the sheriff's office. Some sheriff's offices may request a self-addressed, stamped envelope and will mail your license back to you. Your license is valid for 5 years. Finally, understand your responsibilities as a concealed carry license holder. Stay informed about where you can and cannot carry a concealed weapon, and keep up with any changes in the law. By following these steps, you can obtain a concealed carry license in Ohio and exercise your right to self-defense responsibly. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and stay safe.